Now let us discuss the salts of oxyacids of alkaline earth metals. First we will start with the carbonates. All of these forms carbonates with the formula MCO3. The thermal stability of these carbonates increases down the group, though they all decomposes on heating to form their corresponding oxide and carbon dioxide. Out of these, the most unstable is beryllium carbonate. What we find is this has to be kept in a CO2 carbon dioxide atmosphere, as it very easily gets decomposed. Yes, except beryllium and magnesium, yes, these carbonates are also not soluble in water and their solubility decreases down the group. Then let us discuss sulfates. They all form sulfates with the formula MSO4. Yes, these sulfates are also decomposes on heating to their corresponding oxides and releases SO3 gas. What another important thing about we find about these sulfates is that beryllium and magnesium sulfates are soluble in water. They are readily soluble, but other than these, the sulfates of calcium, strontium and barium are insoluble in water. Their stability also increases down the group. Now let us discuss nitrates. The nitrates of these alkaline earth metals, they have a formula MNO3 twice. These metal nitrates, all of these alkaline earth metal nitrates are soluble in water. All of these are soluble in water. But if we check their KSPs, yes, their KSPs decreases down the group. What we find most interesting is that all of these nitrates decomposes on heating and they form their corresponding oxides, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Let me give an example, like if we are having a calcium nitrate, this on heating decomposes to give calcium oxide plus NO2 and releases oxygen gas. So this is what we have, the nature of their salts.